for you guys, right, girls?
Yes.
That's true. Amazing. Do you have anything you want to share to our fans for this very special moment?
Guys,
Right?
okay,
So they are very.
Because today is really special day for Quad Lives and also for you guys. This is our first small show here at the Philippines. So we want to take the memory, so we can remember the memory. So can we take picture together?
Picture together, everybody.
Can we take picture together?
There you go.
You can go here, guys.
Okay, go here, everybody.
Lapit
Here,
kayo, lapit.
below the stage. So everybody.
Future and next small show in the future. So we hope we gonna meet you guys.
Yes, maraming salamat po sa lahat ng mga pumunta, sa mga tumakas sa work, joke lang. Joke lang. Pinagpaalam ko naman kayo. But, yes, maraming salamat po sa pagsuporta mula noon hanggang sa dulo. Okay, thank you po!
Yeah, and for Quad Lives, meet you guys today here is like miracle.
Yes.
It's like, oh my goodness, we're here at the Philippines, and can we see you guys in the person? And we hope in the future you guys keep support Quad Lives, even though like if you guys already know, we will stay here at the Philippines for spread our music here. So please support Quad Lives.
Kita-kits tayo sa mga next events, okay?
Okay? And I hope our music can give you spirit, energy, and make you through our like your bad day or like woo bad day and like can give you energy positive also. Thank you so much everybody for coming today.
Thank you po!
Maraming salamat po.
Enjoy your holiday. One more time, Mashiro. Enjoy your holiday. Okay. Okay. So it's already end.
Yeah,
Already end.
finish.
You guys already end today? No?
No?
But we already taking picture, playing games,
Yeah.
right? And do dancing together.
So we say
What
bye-bye.
you want? What you want? Overdrive? What you want? Catch me, kiss me. I really like this energy. Like overdrive. Catch me, kiss me. Please. Okay. Catch me, kiss me. All right. Okay. Because we love you guys.
What did they say? Majority what?
Catch me, kiss me. Cherish. Because this side more louder. Say something. I think
What?
offer.
What?
Offer. Okay. Are you all ready, guys? Okay.
Yes.
Okay? Special for today. Please listen and enjoy Overdrive.
Girls, for sharing your time and this wonderful celebration with all of you. Right? Once again, Quad Lips!
Salamat po.
Thank you po.
Terima kasih. See you. Salamat po.
See you in a bit.
See you in few minutes, okay?
Ingat. Thank you po.
Salamat po. Okay. We are so happy today, guys, to meet you all here. We hope we can meet you guys in the future.